In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice in sunoai, full guide 2026, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to write, so Suno generates the voice you have in mind. First, head to Suno's website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create button on the main dashboard and open it. This takes you to the workspace where all the voice and style controls live. Before you do anything else, switch the mode to Custom. Custom unlocks the fields you need to control the voice, rather than letting Suno guess on its own. From here, you have two primary ways to steer the voice. If you want Suno to learn from a specific recording, choose the audio option. This is where you can upload a reference voice or record one directly. Keep your reference clean and clear. Short clips with minimal background noise tend to guide the model best. If you've already designed a voice concept before, or you prefer to describe it in writing, click Persona. Persona is great when you've created a reusable voice prompt and want consistent results across multiple generations. Now, the most important point, changing the voice in Suno, is driven by your prompt. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the closer the output will be to your target. Describe the vocal character with detail. Mention tone, age range, energy level, accent, timbre, and performance direction. For example, you might specify warm, breathy, mid-range, gentle vibrato, soft consonants, and steady tempo. Avoid vague terms and aim for traits Suno can interpret consistently. If your target is a general vibe, describe the qualities rather than naming real people. If you want even more control, open advanced options. Here you can set the vocal gender to male or female to give Suno a firm starting point. This doesn't override your prompt, but it helps align the generation with your intent. When everything looks good, click Create. Suno will generate based on your selections and the prompt you provided. If the result isn't quite right, tweak your wording. Often small changes in descriptors produce big differences, and run it again. Save prompts that work well so you can reuse them later with Persona for consistency. That's it. Log in, go to Create, Enable Custom, pick Audio or Persona, write a precise prompt, optionally set gender in advanced options, and then click Create. Follow these guidelines and you'll be able to shape Suno's voice with confidence and control.